Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable ironing in Bambu Studio. So look at the left side settings panel, and if you don't have it turned on, this advanced option right here, switch it on. With that, you will see all the options. Now click on the quality tab. So firstly, select your object, and then here you will see quality tab. Scroll down until you find ironing section, ironing right here, and change the ironing type to all top surfaces. No, sorry, all top surfaces. Uh, Click slice plate at the top right to save the changes. So, top surfaces ironing happens on every flat horizontal top face of your model. Then we have also topmost surface. This will iron only happens on the absolute highest layer of the entire print. And then what we have also uh, some ironing or ironing all layers. Avoid this unless you have a highly specific reason, as it slow down your print significantly. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can uh, enable ironing. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the